Hello everyone, welcome to my CAD/CAM channel. In this tutorial, I will show you how to create a 3D model from existing 2D drawing with the help of FreeCAD part design tools like Additive Helix, Cylinder, Chamfer, and Fillet. Today, we convert this 2D drawing step by step into 3D solid part. Here you find the steps and the tools that I used to convert this 2D drawing into 3D solid part. First, click simply this button to start the FreeCAD workspace and to create the parametric solid part. As you see, the body is inserted automatically. In step 1, we create a cylindrical part with diameter of 30 mm and length of 100 mm. Activate the Additive Cylinder tool and set the parameters 30 and 100 mm. To change the direction or the base of the cylinder, click simply the proper plane. In step 2, we sketch the thread profile around the cylinder with the help of the Additive Helix tool. Activate the Sketch tool and select the XZ plane. Activate the View Section tool to see the sketch plane. Sketch rectangular profile and then constrain and dimension it. The sketch is full constrained, then close the sketch. The thread has 6 turns and a height of 80 mm. Now select the sketch and activate the Additive Helix tool and then set the parameters. Select the options, the x-axis and height turns angle for mode. Activate also the option Reverse. Click OK to confirm. In step 3, we add fillets and chamfer to the edges of the created part. Activate the Fillet tool and then select the edges. Now, we add chamfer to the endings. Select the edges and set the parameters. Select the option type, distance, and angle. Now, I add additional fillet to the front edge of the helix. Attention, this fillet is not included in the drawing. Now, I will show you how to change the appearance of the created 3D solid part. Download these textures from internet. That is for today. Please follow the other videos to learn more about FreeCAD. See you in the next video. Please subscribe, like, and share the video. Thank you for watching.